Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Today, I will show you how to change system mode state to user safely. Begin by confirming you have administrative rights and an audit trail enabled. Check current mode and running users before making changes to avoid disruption. Record the target state and expected impacts in your change log. Prepare a fallback plan that includes a rollback command and test window. Notify stakeholders about the change window and expected downtime. Ensure you take a full backup before you switch modes to user. Access the System Console or SSH into the host with an account that has sudo privileges. Use the standard command to change modes. For systemd, use systemctl isolate user. Target. Validate the command syntax and replace user. Target with the correct unit if custom. If using an API, post the mode change to /API/mode with JSON mode, user, and a valid token. Monitor the command output for errors and respond to prompts. If prompted, enter your sudo password to authorize the change. Log the command and timestamp. After switching to user mode, verify active sessions and running services immediately. Run diagnostic checks such as systemctl status and confirm critical services show active and running. If services failed, revert quickly using the recorded rollback command within your test window. Collect logs with journalctl since the switch timestamp and store them in your audit folder. Automate future changes using a script that includes pre-checks, backup, mode change, and post-checks. Schedule the script in your CI pipeline and require manual approval for production deployments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.